Rest in peace to Segun Adeyemi. Abeg, if you come across this video, share this video, make e go viral, and make e draw your share come close and make you come hear wetin kpai this boy. This boy kpai himself by himself o. This one na susu level na him this guy do o. So I go urge you make you just draw your share closer, come and lis ten, make you see wetin dey kpai our people. You understand? And make you help me share am, because now dem dey find the family. They no know where this guy family dey for Nigeria. They no know him family. It's not identified now. So look the picture closely. Maybe na person wey you know, maybe you don see am before for Nigeria, for any place. Abeg help us so that we go fit reach out to him family, because as e dey now, make dem no go bury the guy anyhow. And if dem bury am now, the family go dey get hope say if their pikin wey go hustle for Ghana, say e still dey there, not knowing say the guy don kpai. So please help us share this video. I go play you the voice note, make una hear wetin lead to the kpai, so make e no be like say na me dey carry talk.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. So a news came to me this evening, and seriously, it's really sad news about a Nigerian man by name Segun Adeyemi. Obviously, this man is a Yoruba man. He committed in Koforidua, that's the eastern region of Ghana. Guys, this is a sad news, and it's very, very sad that this happened to this Nigerian guy in Ghana. So let's get right into the video in order for you to have a better understanding of the reason why he unalived himself, and of course there is reasons. Okay, let's get right into the video, and please, at the end of it, I would love you to drop your opinion in the comments section. And again, if this is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. And for my returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you for always clicking in. Thank you so much, guys. Let's get right into it, and definitely I will be right back.
The name that the boy is using from me is that I know him with is Segun or Michael. But I went and searched for his name in Facebook. I saw Segun Adeyemi. That's the name that I saw on Facebook. So me, I don't know. It's the only thing that I know, we met here in Koforidua. So since then, the place that the boy has been selling is market. So there's one Ghana man that chased him out of the position that he's selling phone accessories. So since then, the boy has been sitting down at home, doesn't have anything to do. I've been talking to him to go and look for something that he'll be doing. Go and look for, come to the station and be selling market with some Igbo boys that is there. But he just only telling me that he doesn't want to come back to that station because he have left the station and he don't want to come back to that station. So since then, I have been at home till on Thursday. When I went to the market, I left him at home when he was sleeping. I even went to the market. Before I come back, I came back around 9 o'clock in the night. On Thursday, so that was when I saw him that he hung himself.
Guys, I'm so sorry that I can't be able to show the photo because it's very, very disturbing. So if you want to know, you can contact me on this number. Yeah, the number written on the screen. You can contact me on the number so I can send you his picture. Please, we really have to share the picture. Maybe it might, reach to his family. Okay, I tried my best to see that. I searched for his name. I searched for different accounts. I even contacted some accounts that looks like him, but none of them happen to be him because they are alive and they are responding to me. Yes, so I've tried, and this very information has to be out there. That's the reason why I posted it, because even the person I got this video from, Facebook have removed the video from his page. So I try my best to see that I post it like this, okay? But if you really want to help, you can contact me through the number on your screen. Yeah, thank you so much. And guys, let's continue.
Even now, sir, the police even, because I'm the only person that know him, we are together. So I've been the one paying everything. I pay for everything, even the mortuary that they went and dropped him. So the police now asked me to look for anybody that know him, the way we are going to locate his family. Because even his phone, sir, he sold the phone. He sold the phone on Monday. He sold the phone. But the only thing I always think that makes him to do this is because the boy likes to play bets. Those bets. So maybe he played the bet and they eat him. They eat his money. That's the reason why he just did this that you did.
He send that in Facebook page.
So it's comes to another person page, you go work. But he wants to enter his own to screenshot him, you no go agree work. If I come up for this, screenshot another page, you go work. But you own no dey agree, they will work. I don't know why the one just do like that. But his name na Segun. Segun Adeyemi. Adeyemi. But I check the page there, if we new page. This Facebook page, nothing even there. People where the only 7 friends I just get for there. But when I travel for Nigeria last year, he tell me when I reach Ojota, for that Ojota park, he tell me say make I go inside that park where they throw dustbin. Say get one of my friends, say that place need don't work. He get one of my friends waiting for that place where for that toilet where they work for there. Say push truck for that place. If I go there, make I ask for the Obina. But since then, but here and now Obina, as I go there, they tell me say Obina not already come out. But people where they there, they say they know. I don't know whether now from there whether we feel know how to go there locate the family. Because as the day like this, the police say unless say the family, any of the family members they know say the guy run die before they go feel burial. So now be the only post where the boy don't post. We have never seen him post anything. But even then, now only this page, now only this post I did there. But on the Facebook account with this. Because on the account where I dey follow am be that for Facebook. Now the account where, but you know that they do the chat. The only thing they just do there that just they watch film, for that Facebook. You know they do the chat. And the accounts like why I know now with that. But the problem is say the guy not be somebody where they only they chat on Facebook. The only thing where they do that just they watch news. That be the only thing where they do. And I can't be that. As the name na Segun. Segun na the name where we don't know we with that for here. Segun or Michael.
Don't you have me? You have me send.
Cause this picture where he post, now the picture where they even for in WhatsApp, now the picture 9 for the WhatsApp. If you don't put whiskey picture for your WhatsApp, you go put Liverpool picture. Like what is they do with that? You know the person where they able to snap picture. You don't even get picture for here. Yesterday, now police station I even they said after I don't pay the police people 700 cedis. So they not say more go look for any Yoruba people maybe say they go feel constant. If they want better, so they know whether they go feel better. But we will go look and say, okay, we don't know how the Yoruba people they go miss. They tell me say they go no follow for their meeting. They follow for their meeting, so they don't get anything where they go fit do. I don't even go meet Igbo chairman. I talk to them. So some of them say, okay, they will fit go back there. Make them feel constant. So since the police people say, make them come know what they go fit do. But the people will say, okay, we will come back on Monday. So on Monday night we'll go know what we will do about this. I mean, that's why we will feel do so that we locate the family first. We will hear what the family go talk. If we don't feel locate the family, even on a Nigerian embassy, we'll make them feel know what they will feel do about this one. The picture why I was police people as I go there say police people don't even allow me snap up because I mean in my room. I just rush the enter and I first snapper. Because then they come with their own photographer. So now the photographer will snap everything where happen for the place. Me as I just enter now, I don't arrange my phone for hand. As I just enter now, I snap. The only 2 pictures now I won't free snap because as I just snap, now they see me, they tell me the constable can stop the snap. And the police people are then snap everything waiting for that place. Even in phone self, the phone when they use because the boy now for this Koforidua here, Koforidua now me I meet him. Now I meet him, so I see him. I can't tell him make I help him. We call them together. Even when he come himself, you don't even carry any phone come because he tell me say for Accra 9 days, he steal for counter before for Accra, and for there they stealing phone. As they stealing phone, now he go. He say he just enter go with the way that they enter motor for Accra. You can't hear where they go Koforidua, and so they take enter come. As you can say, you don't even get phone. Now for here, you even buy phone. Now for this place, now this Koforidua, now even register SIM card. It's not the whole contact where you get for a family members. All of them, they don't thief for Accra. And for here, now you can't get SIM card. Since then, since when I don't even the day for I never see and one day call him family. I never even call him family one day. I mean, I always ask and say, I don't even tell and say, guy, be like say this year you go travel, try go Nigeria so that you go get your family number. I wouldn't tell me. I don't know. Say at the end of this, the boy go see do this way in does.
Oh, wow.
Okay, I know life is very difficult, but there's nothing in this life that will make me think of unaliving myself. You understand? The first thing you should think about is the pain you're going to go through. Well, I know there are some situations that you find yourself, and sometimes you feel like unaliving yourself, but that is not a solution. Okay? This is the reason why I always want people to be around people, you as a Nigerian in Ghana, try and look for a family you call your own in Ghana, because life is not easy. Look for someone you can run to when you are in need or when you are in trouble. Ghanaians are nice people. They are good people. They are amazing. There's no way, if you are a good Nigerian living in Ghana, that a Ghanaian family will not take you in as a guardian or something. I remember the last time a family friend came to visit me in Ghana, and the lady asked that ever since she came to my house, she didn't see anybody coming in and out. Do I really have a family I can run to? I thought that I only have one friend. Yeah, as at that time, I only have a friend. Her name is Sandra. Yes, we've been friends for 11 years. Yes, during my university days, that's when I met her in the hostel I stayed. Okay, so I thought that that's just a friend I have. And she was not like, is she going to be available just in case I'm in trouble or something? Is she available all the time? I said, sometimes I should go home for holiday. Then she said, aside her, I should look for a family. I can be going like for holiday, like December period. I can go spend Christmas with them. That's exactly what she advised me. Then I told her that I'm just trying to stay out of trouble, because there are some people, when you try to, get to know them, go to them, it's just like they are bringing trouble to you. But come to think of it now, yeah, I'm not realizing that really I need a family. I need people I can call my own, because life in Ghana itself is not easy. I can understand what this guy went through that made him unalive himself. Well, as for me, nothing will make me think of unaliving myself. Now, what has this guy caused for Ghanaians now? Nobody even know who he is. Nobody even know his family. So guys, please share this video. Share this video to as many eyes out there. We never can tell. Maybe by sharing the video will get to someone who knows his family, or direct to his family. Who knows? It's very sad. I can imagine what the family are gonna go through watching their son. Look at what happened. Guys, take a look. Why would somebody? Oh my God, it is sad. I just hope and pray that his soul rest in peace. We are not the one to judge. So, Ghanaians, we are very, very sorry for bringing not just our trouble to Ghana, but look at the kind of problems we are making you guys go through now that he's dead. How is it gonna happen? Like how would they bury him in Ghana? Would they carry him back to I don't even know if his family have the capital. Okay, the capital to transfer his body back to Nigeria. Who knows? Please, before you think of doing such a thing, remember, who knows? This guy, maybe he's from a very poor background, because now hustle, they carry people come Ghana. But it's either you do the right one or the wrong one. You see, it is well, though. It is well, guys. It is well. It's really sad. It is really sad. It is really, really sad, guys. So now the room is open for you to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Do also like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you guys. But before I go, guys, I would love to tell you that I'm in Nigeria. Yes, I am in Nigeria. So if you have any content, or if you have anything you want me to do, just let me know in the comment section. And again, I will start posting my content right from Lagos, everything back to back. So stay tuned and watch me. And of course, we have tourist attract. Places here. So I'm gonna take you guys. Yeah, first of all, I'm gonna take you to waterfall. Yes, we have waterfall. It's called Metilga Waterfall. That's the first place I'll take you to. From there, the same way we are coming to Ghana and getting to know about your culture, I want you guys to also know about my own culture. Okay, who knows, maybe I'll marry a Ghanaian. No, so start getting to know about my culture, because without that, I'm not gonna put that ring on my finger. Which hand? I think it's left. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And please, my condolences go to his family. I don't know if they are aware of his death yet, but I'm not really sure. Yes, according to what the video said, I'm not happy. Don't feel as if I'm happy. I'm really, really sad. I'm really, really sad because it's very, very, you know, it's not easy to lose someone. Yes, if you've never lost somebody, then you will not know how painful it is. But if you have, then you know what I'm talking about, guys. I love you. Bye-bye.